How to fix hold escape key to prevent StartIsBack from loading. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily fix this error. So the first thing you can do is go to your file explorer and then go to this PC. Once you open it up, you can open up your C drive and then go to program files x86. Then you're going to have to find this folder StartIsBack and click on it to open it up. Now find the StartIsBack CFG file, double click on it to simply open up the file. Once this pop-up appears, go to the switching tab right here, and then you can uncheck the Use StartIsBack taskbar jump list. Just uncheck this, click on apply, and then OK, and you should be good to go. The second method is to go to your PC again, go to C drive, go to program 86, go to StartIsBack, and then double click on the StartIsBack CFG to open it. But this time you're going to go to the advanced option. And once you go to advanced, you're going to have to disable the program for current users. Click on apply and then OK, and you should be good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.